Attorney General Jeff Sessions making the announcement in Washington this morning, undoing one of the hallmarks of the Obama administration.
Such an open-ended circumvention of immigration laws was an unconstitutional exercise of authority by the executive branch.
Sessions laying out President Trump's intent to end the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program. DACA, enacted by President Obama, protects about 800,000 immigrants who were brought illegally to the United States by their undocumented parents, shielding them from the threat of deportation.
The effect of this unilateral executive amnesty, among other things, contributed to a surge of minors at the southern border that yielded terrible humanitarian consequences.
The executive order put in place in 2012 allowed recipients, often referred to as dreamers, to attend school and get work permits renewable every 2 years.
This administration has clearly shown that they don't care about the humanity of immigrants and that they don't care about our well-being and our families.
Natalia Aristizabal, one of the organizers of this group from Queens that made its way to Washington this morning, where they are protesting the decision.
When I see the news, it's very hard for me.
10 state attorneys general asked President Trump to end DACA, giving him today as a deadline, or they threatened to sue. Rolling back DACA was a campaign promise of the president's.
I will immediately terminate President Obama's illegal executive order on immigration.
Candidate Trump and Republican supporters argued DACA was an illegal overreach by President Obama. But as president, Mr. Trump wavered.
The DACA situation is a very difficult thing for me. Because, you know, I love these kids. I love kids.
Now Congress has the task of coming up with a plan to dissolve the executive order. The president tweeting this morning, Congress, get ready to do your job. And the Trump administration is giving Congress 6 months to come up with a solution before those permits will no longer be renewed. But they will need Democratic support. In New Jersey, 22,000 people, and in New York, 42,000 people rely on DACA permits. Governor Cuomo already promising to sue to continue for protection of those dreamers. Reporting live from the newsroom, Janelle Burrell, CBS 2 News.